Okay, this is the first firing of the BRC 500 motor in the 2015 Husky TE 250, and we're also running a smart carb, 40mm billet smart carb with TPS, so that we can also make use of the power CDI ignition module right there. And I'm going to do a little quick walk around of the bike. So as you can see, we have a somewhat different pipe than ordinary. This happens to be a prototype pipe we've been lent so that we could do this. The official pipes are due out any day. That's the look of the motor. We come around. It uses a stock KTM transmission, clutch, water pump, kickstarter. Uses a stock stator and ignition system, except in this case we've gone a bit further and done the TPS with the smart carb and the power CDI. So we don't know how this is going to go on our very first start. So I'm going to back off a little bit here. We're going to see if we can do it with the electric start first. See, so the choke is up.
Choke's up.
And the gas is on.
Gas on. Neutral. See if it'll crank it over.
We'll see if this cranks over right. It does crank it, but slowly.
So we push the.
Well, you pull the
Pull it.
We're going to pull the decompression, or push the decompression release, so that it'll try to start with the decompressor on.
Let's crank on it a bit here.
We'll do some kickstart stuff here.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Go ahead.
Nope.
And give it some gas to try and get it going once you... Let it die.
All right. It fired up.
You're right up and down the street.
See if we should pop again. got to get that clutch adjusted.
Yeah.
Well, you ready to hold on? Because you got to hold on.
So we're going to call that the fire up video, and we're looking good here.